Ako po si Philip Viñas, ang inyong massage therapist. Ngayong gabi po, nais kong mag-share sa inyo ng isang katotohanan mula sa mga salita ng Diyos. Ito po ay isang talata na makukuha natin. Ito po ay familiar na talata mula sa salita ng Diyos sa Matthew 6:33. Sabi po dito sa wikang English, "But seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be or will be added unto you." So, sinasabi po dito, napakasimple lang naman po nung pagkaka-English niya. Sabi dito, all these things will be added to you. So, merong prerequisites upang yung mga bagay na ito na pinapangarap natin, na gusto nating marating, ay idadagdag na lang sa atin. So, ngayon po, ang tinutukoy dito ay yung kingdom. Dapat mahanap natin yung kingdom. Pero sinasabi po sa Luke 12:32, sabi po doon, bibigay ko sa inyo ang kaharian. So, ibinigay sa atin. Sabi niya, huwag kayong matakot. O little flock, I will give you the kingdom. So, basahin po natin sa Luke 12:32. Sabi, "Fear not, little flock, for it is your Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom." So, ibinigay sa atin ang kingdom sa pamamagitan ng ating pagsampalataya kay Kristo. Kaya, kung ikaw ay isang mananampalataya, nasa iyo, ibinigay na rin sa iyo ang kaharian. Ito ay mula sa kagalakan ng ating Amang nasa langit. So another thing that is required of us is to find the kingdom, to have the kingdom, and His righteousness. Kingdom and righteousness. Then all these things pinapangarap natin, gusto nating marating, gusto nating magkaroon, idadagdag na lang. So yung number 2 is the righteousness. Sabi sa Romans 3:21. "But now the righteousness of God has been manifested apart from the law." Ibig sabihin, without the requirement of the law, we have the righteousness. So, paano natin yon? Paano tayo magkakaroon nun? Sabi sa verse 26 ng Romans 3, sabi dito, "It was to show His righteousness at the present time, so that He might be just and the justifier of the one who has faith in Jesus." So, yung righteousness na yon made us just before God and made us just to receive the things that is promised to be added to us if we have the kingdom and the righteousness. So, our faith in Jesus have given us the power, the right to receive the kingdom and the righteousness, and we are rest assured that all these things shall be added unto us. So that's the point of the familiar verse from Matthew 6:33. I hope I have given much of a wisdom to encourage you to live a life that is more abundantly as God has promised. For He came to give us life and made it more abundantly, just in Jesus. Thank you.